Hey Howard. Hey man, good to see you, buddy. I'm looking forward to giving you a few lessons, man. I hope this helps you a lot. If you're just getting started, man, you're going to need to tune your guitar. So I'm going to send you a video that will really help you hear the sound of each string. You might want to pick up one of these Snark tuners. You can clip that on. If you're looking at a tuner and you're listening to my tuning video, you can't go wrong, man. You'll get your guitar in tune, and you really need to be in tune to have some fun and play well with others. Get you a couple of picks. I use these Jim Dunlop nylon picks. These are 73 millimeters. You might try a couple of different gauges, but I like the 73s. Not the super max grip, but just the max grip. Picks is kind of a personal thing, though. You can try and find what you like, man. You know, you want to really get your pick working good, so do a little bit of picking on each string. Notice my arm, the inside of my elbow is resting here, and that puts my hand sort of where it needs to be over the sound hole. We don't want to pick back here close to the bridge or too far up here close to the neck, but more right over the sound hole. So you can do some downstrokes on each string. Try to make your motion really small. Really important, Howard, you want to have this part of your hand on the strings to keep them quiet. The other strings will make sound if you don't keep them quiet. So I'm muting the other strings and I'm allowing the first string to ring. Get a feel for picking the strings. You know, do that in time. You might even turn your metronome on and you'll hear a steady click, 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 click. You could try some down ups. And you want to just do this on each string. You also want to get a feel for strumming. To do this, let me show you how to mute your strings. I'm going to lightly touch my strings, okay? I've got all my fingers just lightly touching. I am not pressing down. If you press down, you won't get this nice muted sound. We want to learn to mute our strings well. So it's just a light touch with lots of finger action touching the strings everywhere. That way we can practice strumming downstrokes, and we can practice strumming down and up. Turn on your metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Everything we've talked about has been right hand. Right hand is what we've been talking about, okay? So picking the strings, strumming the strings. Well, we did a little bit of left hand muting, but mostly right hand stuff so far. This is where the action is. This is what we've got to get control of. The left hand part is pretty easy compared to the right hand part. So spend a little bit of time working on that, okay? I'll send you some videos of some chords. Chords like G, a couple of ways to play G, and C, and D. And I want you to think about some songs that you like to play, and I want to help you with those songs. And the next video I'm going to show you how to play a major scale on one string. Next video we're going to learn how to do this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to be learning the scale degrees of the major scale and how to combine those notes to play all the chords in the key of G, and how to jam too. You know, I want to help you with all that, man. So, hey, thanks a lot. I hope that helps you. I'll make you another video soon, man, where we go over that scale in detail. Work on your right hand song. Get some good picks, get a tuner, get your guitar in tune, and start working on your right hand technique. It's really important. Okay, thanks a lot, Howard. Call me up, man, if you have any questions. 864-608-7197. Would you like other people to check out your beach house? I could put a link in the description on the video if you want me to. That'd be cool. It's a really nice place, guys. Hey, thanks a lot. We'll see you.